little walk along the promenade. Tide's just on its way out, so we're not going to get too wet, I don't think. We're not in any danger. So yeah, we'll see if we can see any big waves. Let's go. So we're just heading towards Colwyn Bay. I just tried to come down the promenade from Colwyn Bay into Roath, but the road was closed because the water was coming over. So I had to get back on the A55 and come in at Roath. But at the moment it looks safe enough to walk along anyway. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and let you have a look. You can see over there, that's where they closed the road. Some big waves over there. Nice, let's carry on walking. So what's the weather like where you are today, guys? You getting the brunt of this storm? It was Kathleen the other day. I thought these storms were supposed to go in alphabetical order. It was Kathleen on Sunday and it's Pierrick today, so we missed out L, M and O. Don't know why that is. Hope you can hear me okay over the wind. I managed to lose the fluff off my microphone, and my new one hasn't arrived yet, so I'm using it without the fluff at the moment. It does make a massive difference, the fur on the end of your microphone on a windy day like today. Gift shop there as well. Right, let's carry on, guys. Definitely bigger waves down this end. See where the water's been coming over probably about an hour ago, and the tide was right in. I wouldn't have risked walking along here then. You see over there in the distance towards Clondullas, where the big waves are crashing against the cliffs. So that's the new modernised pier. The old pier sort of dropped into the sea a few years back, and they renovated what was left of the old pier, made it safe, and it's just like a bit of a seating area now. I thought this was sand on the first look. That's all foam off the sea. I love the smell of the sea, the seashore, absolutely love it. Mad that, eh? Oh, how deep that is. If anybody knows what is that foam, I know it's off the sea, but what is it? How is it formed? What's it made of? Obviously salt. But what makes it like that? Let me know in the comments if you know. Been absolutely battered down this end. This is where all the big waves are, guys. You see in front of us there. So this is the section of road that was closed. Just a bit further up there, that's where I had to turn around on the way up. Go on the A55. Just got the road sweeper out already, cleaning up the debris that's been washed over the wall. These waves are enormous. We're going to get a bit of a soak in there. Seems strange that they close it to cars but let you walk along here. You know?
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I'll rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. My feet in the sand, green umbrella drink in my hand. That's where you find
Not gonna get too close. I've already had a shower today. Wow, they're getting soaked, them two. good soaking. Whoa. Wow. So we're just going to head up back towards the car now, towards Ross-on-Sea. It's about a 15-minute walk from here. The waves are still crashing in. The tide's been on the way out for about the last hour, so can you imagine what it would have been like an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago? Wouldn't have been able to stand there, I'm sure of that. If you've enjoyed the video so far, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Hit the thumbs up, helps the channel out. Absolutely free to subscribe, doesn't cost you a single penny. Hit the notifications bell and you'll be the first to know when I upload more videos. Plenty more coming up on the channel. See a bit more of the beach now. This is the newly refurbished beach here in Colwyn Bay, which now extends all the way round to Rose. It's a great beach. It's dog friendly, really popular with dog walkers. This is absolutely gorgeous. Last summer you couldn't move on this beach, it was just like the Costa del Sol. Really popular now. So you can follow it all the way around to Ross-on-Sea. We've still got the little section of beach to the side of the harbour. It still gets busy. But yeah, this beach here, all this sand was pumped from miles out at sea. Pumped it all up onto the beach here to make the beach higher. So the tide, although it has done today, as you can see by the mess, it doesn't normally come right in anymore, right to the wall. But Mother Nature has decided different today. So you can see Ross-on-Sea just over on the other side there. Zoom in for you. Yeah, waves are crashing in on the new beach there as well, just to make it out. Well covered in sea froth. As it's drying, it's blowing everywhere now. Sun's just starting to come out. What a view that is. Oh yeah, it's this pier I was telling you about. Yeah, it used to be the old pier, as I said. Now it's a nice little place to sit if it's a nice calm day. Oh, that wind's not backing down. Apologise for the wind down the microphone, it must be deafening you. But there you go guys, that's the little pier. Let's crack on. We're spending a day in Colwyn Bay on the beach. We just go from there, up the hill, reach out like the Colwyn Bay train station, where you can just cross over the road there and you've got all your little shops and cafes if you need anything. Drinks, food or whatever. Literally 5-10 minute walk. Sun's trying its best to come out. It did say it was going to brighten up this afternoon, to be honest. Still cold though, it was only 8 degrees on the thermometer in the car coming up. It's about 1:30 I think now. The clouds still look good, don't they? The doggies are back on the beach again now. I say it's great for the dogs. It really is a good stretch of beach. He's having fun. So like to live in one of those apartments, guys. What a view, eh? Far from the car now. That hill there, you see, it's parked on top of there. I'm absolutely covered in foam off the sea, sand that's on my head. So as it's drying, it's blowing everywhere. Got the wind right in my face coming back. Sandblasted. So just a quick shout out to one of our younger viewers, young Kai over there in my hometown of Liverpool. Your granddad has told me that you're a big fan of the channel, you love watching all the videos and especially the driving videos. Hope you're well, Kai. Make sure you stay tuned, my friend, because I've got some great drives planned coming up in the summer. So yeah, stay tuned for them, and I hope you're well. So we're just about coming into Roche-on-Sea now, guys. This is a newly refurbished promenade that they've been working on for the last couple of years. They've fitted all these little tables and chairs along here, new planters, along with the newly renovated beach I was telling you about. It's been extended now. As you see, we've just been right along Colwyn Bay and into Roche, right round to the harbour. I am going to do a full walking tour to show you the newly refurbished promenade coming up in the next couple of weeks, so I won't show you any more of that at the moment, but this is the beginning of it. It's looking quite smart, to be fair. Can't wait to show you it, but that's for another day, I'm afraid. Okay guys, that'll be all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed that little walk along Colwyn Bay Promenade. Some nice big waves there. Going home to put my coat in the wash. Absolutely filthy now. All that sand blowing around. So yeah, hit that thumbs up for me please, guys. It really does help me out more than you'll know. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now, guys. Take care.
Sometimes I'm all about the easy way. Sometimes I go for the gold. I never thought you were easy prey. I just knew I was so